Have you ever stood at a crossroads in your life, feeling completely lost? Maybe between two job offers, a complicated relationship, or just general uncertainty about your future direction. We typically ask friends, make pro-con lists, or mindlessly scroll through our phones hoping for answers. But what if I told you about a 3,000-year-old app that doesn't predict your fate, but clears your mind to help you become the designer of your own life? That's what I want to share today. The I Ching, or the Book of Change. Forget fortune-telling and mysterious symbols. Think of the I Ching as your life's GPS navigation system. When you're lost, your GPS doesn't tell you your destiny. It first locates your current position. That's exactly what the I Ching does. It's not concerned with what you're destined to be, but with understanding what situation you're actually in right now. The book contains 64 situation models called Gua, each representing a classic energy pattern in life. The startup phase is one pattern. Being in a tough spot is another. Team collaboration yet another. The I Ching acts as your pattern recognition software, saying, I see your situation matches pattern 井号39. The obstacle. Here's everything about this pattern. Instead of simple yes-no answers, it provides a detailed situational analysis. What's this pattern's nature? Where are the opportunities? What are the pitfalls? If you take this path, outcome might happen. That path could lead to outcome B. It puts the power of choice completely back in your hands. The I Ching isn't about fate. It's a philosophy of insight and choice. It teaches you to read the energy fields around and within you, enabling more conscious, powerful decisions. In this series, we'll unlock these 64 wisdom patterns together. I will show you how to use the creative energy to launch new projects, the abyss wisdom to navigate rough patches, and the family principles to strengthen relationships. We'll use modern psychology, business cases, and relatable language, no mysticism, just practical wisdom. If you're ready to get your hands on a mental map for our constantly changing world, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We start next week by exploring the most powerful pattern, the creative, and how it can help you initiate anything you want in life. Let me know in the comments. What crossroads are you facing where you need more clarity? I'm Ching Hao. See you in the next video.